Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nazwa Salsabila with name 233010431. So for today's video, I will talk about a presentation about process. So the title of this presentation is the communication process. So communication. Communication comes from the Latin word which means working as one. Communication is a process of exchanging meaningful message through the use of common symbols. The communication process is first is stimulus, sender, receiver, feedback, and noise. A stimulus is something that triggers a reaction. Stimulus causes a need to communicate. Thus, there must be a stimulus for communication to occur. Sender. The sender encodes the message by turning the codes into manual language and then delivers the message to the receiver. And the receiver decodes, interprets, and responds to the message of the sender. The receiver might be an individual or a group. Feedback. Feedback is direction or response of the receiver is called feedback. It provides insights into how the receiver interprets and understands the message of the sender. Noise is anything that disrupts the communication process, any barrier of hindrance that prevents the challenge from being understood. And to wrap up, or to the conclusion of this presentation is a stimulus is something that triggers a reaction. Stimulus causes a need to communicate, thus there must be a stimulus for communication to occur. The sender encodes the message by returning the codes into manual language and then delivers the message to the receiver. The receiver decodes, interprets, and responds to message the sender. The receiver may be an individual or a group. The reaction of response of the receiver is called feedback. It provides insights into the receiver, interprets, and understands the message of the sender. Noise is anything that disrupts the communication process, any barrier or hindrance that prevents the message from being understood. I think that's all about the communication process. I'm sorry for my mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.